Hi everyone, so I wanted to come on and I wanted to make a bubble recipe with you guys. Usually if we were at school, we would have a bubble day. So we would go outside and make our own bubble solution and then also have bubbles from the store and see which bubbles might be bigger. So I have this today. It says, let's make bubbles, and it's a recipe. So we're going to follow this recipe together. And I sent this in an email. So if you want to follow along, you can. All right, so we need dish soap. That's what we wash dishes with. We need corn syrup. I had this in my cabinet. Sometimes you cook with it. That's fine, that's fine. Yep, I have 1 cup of water, which is I'm going to use. And I have a tablespoon here. And then, just for fun, I have a little bit of color. Sometimes you use food coloring that comes in drops. I didn't have any, so I have gel. We'll see if it works. If not, it's okay. All right, so first, we're going to put 1 cup of water into, I chose a bowl. So we're going to put 1 cup of water into a bowl. This is 1 cup of water. We're going to put it into the bowl. All right. You're going to help me?
I want to help you pour some in.
Okay. Number 2, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the corn syrup I showed you. Okay. Here's the tablespoon.
I said the same one.
I'm going to fill up 1. Dump it in. 1. Okay. All right. 2. Go ahead.
This?
Dump this in. Okay. Ooh. Okay, next, we have to read the directions. You have to stand up next to me for a second. Okay. Then, we're going to put 4 tablespoons of dish soap.
I want to
Okay. So, Pippi, this is for my students, so you have to be on your best behavior, okay? All right. This is the dish soap we use to wash our dishes. 1. We're going to do 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. Ooh, it looks kind of soapy already.
No.
You have to sit next to me. I mean, stand next to me. You can do that after. Okay. So now we're going to add 2 drops of food coloring. I don't have the liquid, I have gel, so we'll try. We're going to do green. Green.
One is green and one is blue.
Yeah, I think we're just going to do green though.
I want blue. Okay, but I want to do both.
All right, ready? Squeeze 2 drops. Okay, 1, 2.
Now.
Okay. And now we're going to, could you please stop?
We're
Thank
making
you.
bubbles. We're making bubbles.
We're going to stir it all together. So what do we usually use to stir? A spoon. Let's get our spoon in. I got my spoon. Now we're going to mix it up. Oh, it looks green. Just gonna really mix it pretty well.
Ah.
Make sure it's all off the bottom. You can see it kind of right there. Oops. All right. It looks a little bubbly already, see? All right.
That's nice.
So usually it's a good idea to go outside and blow bubbles. Not really an inside activity, but we'll just see if this works. All right. Gonna put my spoon to the side. And last, it says we should try to blow our bubbles. All right, so I have this bubble wand.
Mom, add some blue drops.
So I'm going to dip my wand in here and see what happens with our bubbles. Let's see. Oh, let's try to get another one.
2 drops of blue Halloween.
We did it. So that's a recipe that you could use. It's kind of neat how it's green.
But I wanna
You don't
make a
have to do
recipe for
green. You
bubbles.
can do a different color if you want. You don't have to do any colors.
But I
Okay. And if you have other wands at home, you can try that. You could also put a string and tie it in a circle and go up and down, and see if the bubbles come out that way too. So I hope you liked this bubble recipe. Let's make bubbles. And I hope you try it today or sometime this week.
I'm gonna
All
make
right.
it today.
Have a great afternoon. Bye.